Good day, everyone. Learn how to turn on captions on Windows 11, the live captions. So do a right click in the start icon and then go to settings. And from the bottom, go to the third option which says accessibility. And here we will scroll down and you will find captions. The moment we click on captions, you will find the theme preview, and I'll tell you how you can turn on. This is a step-by-step process. So from here you can select the caption style, like the default, the small one, or the yellow and blue like this, or a large text like this. All right. And it says live caption, audio and video will be captioned live on your screen. I'll click on turn on. And the moment we do that, at the top, you will find, do you want to continue and set up live captions? I'll click on yes, continue. From here, you can select the language and then we will click on continue again. Now it says ready to show live captions in English, United States. So from here, I'll turn off. I'll simply close it, and this is how you can turn on the live captions on Windows 11. Do let me know in the comment section whether you are able to use the live captions or not, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.